Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to remove products from your TikTok Shop showcase. This is very easy to do, so without wasting any time, let's jump into it. First, of course, go to TikTok, then go to your profile. After that, tap on this basket button right here. Then tap on TikTok Shop. Then here, you just have to scroll down a little and you will be able to see your showcase already. Just tap on this arrow and here, you're gonna see all the products that you have added to your showcase. To remove them, just tap on these three dots. Then tap on Remove Product. Then you just have to confirm it here. So just tap on Remove. And there you have it. That's how you can simply remove products from your TikTok Shop showcase. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.